How to perform Istikhara step by step. Firstly, let us know what Istikhara means. It means seeking guidance from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is a sunnah of two rakah, and it is done whenever you need guidance on stuffs like marriages, either you want to go to school, either work, either you want to travel, or any steps whatsoever that you want to take in life. This dua is made when you want to ask for guidance. So what are the steps to it? Number one, have your intentions. Every dua in Islam is based on intention. So if you want to perform your istikhara, have the intention that it is istikhara you want to perform. Number two, say the takbiratul ihram, which is Allah Akbar, and then perform your two rakah. Then, after ending the two rakah, you can now sit down to ask for the guidance you want to ask for by performing this dua. You can always say it in English or in Arabic, whichever one you prefer, but it is always advisable for us to say our dua in Arabic because English does not actually convey all the information that Arabic has. And one key thing you should note, you can observe your istikhara at any time of the day, but these days are exempted. Number one, after the subhi prayer until sunrise. Number two, some minutes after Zuhur, when the sun is still in its meridian, when the sun is still full, like it's still in good shape and good form. After Asr until sunset, avoid this three times. You can observe it anytime that you want, but avoid this three times. And many people keep asking that how are we going to know if this dua is being accepted or not? One thing I need us to understand is that it is not a miracle. It is not that you're going to see it in a vision or you're going to see it in a dream. But if this dua is being done with full sincerity, if you put your mind to it and your heart to it, Allah will surely guide you. If what you prayed for is good, Allah in His infinite mercy will make it work. But if it is bad, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will find a way to remove your mind from the thing you prayed for totally. And Allah is all knowing.
لأنك الله لا خوف ولا قلق